What's up, YouTube? I'm back, and today I'm going to show you how to change the door handle on a 2000 through 2006 Hyundai Elantra. Coming up. These door handles have this common problem of, I guess, breaking away from this little bracket that's here in the back. I don't know if you're on yours, it might not be broken this far, but if your door handle is having like a problem opening or something, it's this same issue with this black bracket that's in the back. I got a new part from the Honda dealership. I'll put a link in the description to this part. I'm going to show you how to take this door panel off. Pretty much all you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver and probably like a flathead screwdriver for prying the thing, or if you have a pry tool, that'll come in handy. But here we go. The location of the screws that you need to take off of the door panel is 1, 2, you got 3, 4 at the bottom, 5 and 6. These two, you have to get something to go under here to take this little thing out. You're gonna have to pry this off, and there's a Phillips head screwdriver in there, Phillips head screw in there. And then you also have this one that you got to pry this off, use it like a screwdriver, pry this off, and that's where we at. Okay, once you get all your screws out, got all the screws out, 2 at the bottom, 2 over here. Once you get all those screws out, you want to pop, like take your pry tool or whatever and pop this loose to where it's just kind of hanging loose. And what you want to do is lift the back. You want to lift this part of it up, out and away, and then you're going to pull it out. You want to pull it out this way and out. All right, when you move to taking off this bracket, you got one screw right here you got to pull out, and then this bracket should move forward right here because there's some clips in there. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's some like clips that kind of hook to the metal, pulling it that way. So you're supposed to shift it that way and it should pull right out. Okay, now when you are pulling this off, this has to go this way. So what you must be careful of is that on the cables for this, for the lock in the handle, the cables are connected to this metal piece. So you have to pop these out. You have to pop these out away from the bracket this way. And on yours, you probably would want to pop these off. You have to take these little clips off in order to get these out. So the easiest way to do that is you're gonna have to pull these off and then snap the end of these cables off of these, and then go from that point as far as being able to slide this forward. So now we're at a point where I'm fixing to take the new one, and I'm gonna go on and put it on in. The reverse process is the same. It's the same process, just reverse. Should be a little easier because everything's together and not broken. So here we go. It slides right in. Those little clips, pretty much they just slide right in, just like that. Slide right in, and then it locked in. You put your screw back in. Okay, all right, I showed you how to get that in there just to show you how to get it in, because it's a lot easier without the tension of these being on there. But in trying to move those cables back in there with this already in place is almost impossible. So the best thing to do is to go on and put those clips on, and then put this in place. Okay, door, it's on now. Everything works. Now it's time to put the door panel back on. Make sure you don't forget to plug up your electrical harnesses. And okay, now we're done with the door. It's all done, ready to go, just like new. I hope this video helped whoever is watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more do-it-yourself, and also on how to flip cars, because that's what I do, is I flip vehicles. Like the video, please leave a comment, and until next time, peace.